We are going to be tapping to release any negative thoughts or emotions you may have about your health. Choose your most pressing issue and rate it on a scale of 0 to 10 of the intensity you have, with 10 being the highest. Find yourself somewhere to sit comfortably and take a deep breath in and exhale. Feel your hands, feel your feet. Close your eyes and breathe in slowly for 6 counts. And exhale slowly for 6 counts. We're going to start tapping. Take 3 fingers on one hand and lightly tap them on the side of the other hand just below your little finger. Say out loud or in your head after me: even though I have some health issues that cause me worry, I acknowledge and accept how I feel. Even though at times I feel tired and lacking in vitality, I deeply and completely love and respect myself. Now let's tap between our eyebrows, just above the bridge of your nose, and say after me, out loud or in your head, all this concern about my health and well-being. Tap on the side of your eye. I feel it in my body. Now, as you're tapping, think about the particular part of your body that's causing you worry. Visualize it now. Tapping under the pupil of the eye, repeat after me. I'm open to looking at this now. Tapping under your nose. Why do I have this sensation in my body? Tapping your chin. Where did it begin? Tap where the collarbone meets your breastbone. You can use both hands to do this if you like. Say out loud, is it safe to look at it and let it go? Tapping under your arm, just below your armpit. When I think of this health issue, it makes me feel. Now really tap into how it makes you feel. Do you feel sad, frustrated, angry? Acknowledge how you feel and where in your body you feel it as you tap. Now tapping the top of your head. Repeat after me. All these sensations and feelings in my body. It's safe to look at them now. Now let's tap between our eyebrows, above the bridge of your nose, and say after me, as I think about my health worries, with every tap, I'm gaining clarity. Tap the side of your eye. Clarity about the patterns I have with my health. Tapping under the pupil of your eye. Clarity about how my health affects my emotions. Tapping under your nose. And clarity that I'm ready to look at my health and take steps towards improving it. Now, tapping your chin. I'm thinking about this part of my body that causes me worry. And I'm sending it love. Now, as you tap, visualize a radiant light filling your entire body, finding all the areas that need healing. Take a breath. Tap where your collarbone meets your breastbone and say out loud, how would a healthy me look and feel? Tap under your arm, below your armpit. I allow myself to visualize this now. Tapping the top of your head, gaining clarity and looking at my health now. Now let's tap the side of your hand while repeating after me. I believe in a healthy me. Keep tapping, and I release anything and everything that stands between me and perfect health. Still on the side of the hand, I choose to release anything in my history, in my energy field, in my body, that is an obstacle to a healthy me. Still tapping on the side of the hand, I deserve perfect health. I choose to be physically vibrant and healthy. I'm open to getting in harmony with a healthy me. Take a breath as you still keep tapping on the side of your hand. Repeat after me. I release any resistance in my body, mind, or spirit that stands between me and perfect health. Now, tapping between your eyes. I'm open to experiencing perfect health. Tapping the side of your eye. Release everything else. Tapping under the pupil of your eye. Feeling full of vitality and vibrantly healthy. Tapping under your nose. Release everything else. Tapping your chin. Getting in harmony with a healthy me. Tapping your collarbone. I release everything else. Tapping under your armpit. Healthy, happy me. Top of your head. Believing in a healthy me. Now, let's return to the side of the hand. Repeat after me. I embrace feeling healthy and happy. I release any and every possibility other than a vibrantly healthy me. Still tapping the side of the hand. I believe in a healthy me. Tapping between your eyes. Release all resistance. Tapping the side of your eye. Healthy me. Tapping under your eye. Release. Tapping under your nose. Healthy me. Tapping your chin. Release everything else. Tapping your collarbone. I welcome perfect health. Tapping under the arm. Release everything else. Take a breath, tapping the top of your head. I believe in a healthy me. Now, let's stop tapping and take another slow breath in. And exhale. Feel your fingers, feel your toes, feel your body. Open your eyes and welcome yourself to the start of a life where you are full of vibrant good health and vitality. Take a moment to check where you are on the scale of 0 to 10. Any move downwards is great. And remember, you can come back and repeat this anytime you like.